Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best skid steer tires is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of your skid steer loader. Choosing the right tires can dramatically impact your machine's performance, lifespan, and overall efficiency on the job site. Whether you're tackling tough terrain or navigating tight spaces, having the right rubber is essential for productivity and safety. So let's dive into the world of skid steer tires and find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Horseshoe 12 to 16.5 skid steer tire. This is the new Horseshoe 12 to 16.5 skid steer tire, built for heavy-duty performance and long-lasting durability. It's perfect for a wide range of skid steer loaders. These tires are brand new, manufactured in 2024, not retreads. The 14-ply rating ensures superior strength and load capacity, up to 6,780 pounds. They fit most major skid steer brands, including Bobcat, Case, John Deere, and many more. Check compatibility before ordering to ensure a proper fit. The durable tread pattern provides excellent stability and traction, even in challenging conditions. It's designed to resist cuts and gouges. It features a rim guard to protect the sidewall and wheel. This added protection extends the life of your tires and wheels. The inflated tire has a 31.72-inch oval diameter, 11.88-inch section width, and a 24-32-inch tread depth. The rim diameter is 16.5 inches, and the rim width is 9.75 inches. Please note that we do not offer free returns. Double-check your tire size before ordering to ensure it matches your current tires. What we like. It boasts an impressive 14-ply rating and a robust rim guard. This makes it exceptionally durable and perfect for demanding job sites. If you need superior strength and protection for your investment, this is the tire for you. What people say. Used on our skid steer. Very happy with them. Swapped out my skid steer tires. Love them. Number 4. 12 to 16.5 skid steer tire. This tire is built to withstand tough conditions. Its deep tread resists damage, and the 12-ply rating ensures durability. It's designed for extreme use, not just a retread. The heavy-duty construction and rim guard protect your investment. The deep tread pattern provides superior stability and grip, even on uneven terrain. This helps prevent gouging and cutting. With a 32.7-inch oval diameter and 12.3-inch section width, it offers excellent stability. The durable tread pattern ensures a smooth ride. It's rated for a maximum load of 6,320 pounds at 80 psi. This tire is perfect for off-road applications. It's ideal for construction sites and farmland. Remember, it's not intended for highway use. What we like. With its 12-ply construction and rim guard, it provides excellent protection against damage. It's ideal for rugged off-road conditions. If you prioritize durability and puncture resistance in tough terrains, this tire is a great choice. What people say. Look good. Fit perfectly. Number 3. ZEEMAX 10 to 16.5 skid steer tires. These tires are built to withstand tough jobs. They're designed for superior stability and durability, ensuring a smooth ride. With a 12-ply rating and rim guard, they provide excellent protection for your wheels. It's the ultimate combination of strength and safety. The deep tread pattern resists cuts and gouges, extending the tire's lifespan. You'll get more use out of these tires. These tires can handle a maximum load of 4,750 pounds at 75 psi. They're ready for any heavy-duty task. The G2L2 tread pattern offers superior stability and traction. Experience enhanced performance and control. These are brand new tires, not retreads, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Get the best value for your investment. What we like. This tire offers a reliable 12-ply rating and a rim guard for added protection. It's designed to withstand the rigors of various applications. If you're looking for a balance of durability and affordability, this is an excellent option. What people say. Exactly as described, arrived sooner than expected. No cracks or tears. Great tires, great traction on all surfaces. The tires fit nicely on my Bobcat S205. Number 2. Super Guider Skid Steer Tire. This tire is built to withstand tough conditions. Its deep tread and heavy-duty construction provide superior durability and stability. The deep tread pattern resists gouging and cutting, extending its lifespan even in harsh environments. It's designed to keep you moving. It's a heavy-duty tire with 12 plies for maximum strength and resilience. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. It includes a rim guard to protect your wheels from damage. This added protection saves you money and downtime. It's perfect for construction sites and farmland. Its robust design handles uneven terrain with ease. It has a 30.7-inch oval diameter, 10.3-inch section width, and a 23-32-inch tread depth. It can handle a maximum load of 4,710 pounds at 75 psi. You're getting a brand new tire, not a retread. This ensures optimal performance and safety. What we like. It features a 12-ply construction and a rim guard for enhanced protection. It's built to handle tough job sites and various terrains. If you need a durable tire for demanding applications without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. What people say. Very fast shipping. 3 days for tires this size and weight is very impressive, and they're very good quality. See how long they last. Excellent for our Bobcat in the dirt and snow. Quality product. Super fast shipping and delivered on time. A rarity in these times. Number 1. SKS-1 Industrial Skid Steer Tire. This tire is built to withstand tough conditions. Its deep tread and heavy-duty construction provide superior durability and stability. The deep tread pattern resists gouging and cutting, extending its lifespan. It's designed to handle the rigors of off-road work. It's built for heavy-duty use with a 12-ply rating. This provides exceptional strength and resilience. The integrated rim guard protects your wheels from damage. This adds an extra layer of security and longevity. It's perfect for construction sites and farmland. However, remember, it's not intended for highway use. It has a 30.7-inch oval diameter, 10.3-inch section width, and a 23-32-inch tread depth. It can handle a maximum load of 4,710 pounds at 75 psi. These are brand new tires, not retreads, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. You're getting a superior product. What we like. This tire offers a robust 12-ply rating and a rim guard for superior protection. It's perfect for various off-road applications. If you prioritize durability and protection in challenging conditions, this is a great option. What people say. Description was right on. They hold up well and are mounting with minimal effort. Has a lot of griping for best traction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.